Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings. And now if you would like to save the screen, let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. And as you can see, you just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's open power key and volume down one more time. And you just save the screen. Now you can also tap a long screenshot. Let me just show you. This is a really cool feature. Tap long screenshot, and now if you would like to save the whole list of settings, let's just scroll down, tap done, and now you've got the long screenshot, as you can see right here. Alright, but there is also the second way of taking screenshot. You have to just swipe down with 3 fingers and you just take a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down with 3 fingers and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or basically just look for your device, let's open the gallery or the photos in that case, and here you can use the today screenshot, or you can choose albums and tap screenshot album. Here you should find your screenshot and you can now do everything with those pictures. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.